everyone, today I'm reviewing the Adobe Firefly lighting filters. My prompt is a chubby reddish bulldog wearing a cowboy hat, scarf with an old western desert background. So the first option is backlighting. This is dramatic lighting. This is golden hour. By the way, I call him Billy the Bull. He looks very sharp in these pictures. I love this one, so cute. I love this one. He definitely looks like he's seen a lot of things in life. This one is studio lighting. I do notice that with this one it created an extra level of sharpness around the face. You know, there's a very clear increase in sharpness around all of the details, especially in the scarf. This last one is low lighting. And those are all the settings for the lighting, and now you can go ahead and check out the last video for composition to see how we can optimize Billy the Bull.